Hi, welcome to Startup Show San Diego, a TV show about startup companies. I am your host, Tony Boucher, and we are here during Startup Week. Our current location at HQ is Wework co-working spaces. And here I am with Justen Tornabene. Did I say that right?
Tornabene.
Tornabene, with the Funco.vc. Justen.
How you doing, man?
Very
Thanks
good.
for having me.
How are you?
Not bad.
All right, so how is it that you took a head dive first into the startup world?
Yeah, so it's a pretty crazy story. I would have never thought I'd be here where I am today, obviously. So coming out of high school, me and a former friend of mine that I worked with just kind of had this kind of willy-nilly idea to go out and start a business. And what we did was we started a phone repair store, purely social media based, and it was on Virginia Tech campus. And we didn't realize how big it was going to kind of explode, and it did a lot better than we thought it would. And next thing you know, we opened up a retail location on Wall Street in New York.
Wow.
And I actually became the youngest entrepreneur on Wall Street at the time.
Congrats.
Also the most handsome one too.
Oh, all right.
But so yeah, and we did that for a while, and it was really tough. It was really tough. You know, it was the typical entrepreneur grind that a lot of these entrepreneurs nowadays go through. Mm-hmm. And it was really rough. And it didn't really go as well as we planned, but we used that experience to help us move forward. And we opened up a retail location in New Jersey, right in Hazlitt, which is in central Jersey, and it's doing pretty well. We're really happy with how it's going, and we're happy to serve the community there. Wow,
so what made you migrate from the East Coast to the West Coast and sunny San Diego?
Yeah, great question. So yeah, if you can't tell, I'm from New Jersey specifically, and basically, when I heard about this company, Funco, and basically what they do, which is just helping entrepreneurs out, that's exactly what I wanted to do, because I remember when I was an entrepreneur, I definitely could have used that assistance, definitely could have made those connections, and it wasn't really available. And working with entrepreneurs is just such a great experience in general. So I heard of this opportunity, definitely wanted to come out here and work with a whole new breed of entrepreneurs.
Yeah, well, I mean, San Diego's happy to have you here, you and
absolutely.
Funco.vc. And so being with this company, how are they making an impact here in San Diego and working with the community here?
Yeah, so we definitely are making a huge impact because, I mean, as a VC company, most VCs typically tend to, they want to see your MVP already out in the market, and it's pretty hard to get them to invest. And they'll just do a capital injection. They'll just kind of give you money, give the entrepreneurs money, be like, all right, here, take it, give us an ROI, mm-hmm. right? But rather, we are a service-based VC firm. So what that means is we'll actually work with the entrepreneurs, face-to-face, working in teams to actually get them the services that they need and the resources in order to get their business off the ground. So for example, if they need some social media assistance, that's definitely something we help out with all the time.
Wow, very nice. And being with this company for, how long have you been here now?
1 month.
1 month?
1 month.
Okay, so in this 1 month, have you worked with a particular company or a client and you just rocked their world? You just had the best experience with them. Do you have any stories?
I usually rock clients' worlds.
All right.
You can't tell. But we had a really great experience working with the guys over at Operation Code. I believe they're in Seattle, and they're pretty much a veteran outreach company. They do really great stuff, veteran, pretty much owned and operated. And what we're doing is we have a tech recruiting firm that we've partnered with them, and we're able to get veterans coming out of the military, train them up to speed in the tech environment, and then put them in the tech market, which is obviously such a big one nowadays. And we're really happy to help, the men and women who serve us and, put so much on the line for us. So it was a great experience working with those guys. Really happy with the end product. Still working here and there, but really great experience.
Man, that is an incredible story. And only being here a month and seeing all the good that it's doing, what are your hopes for the future and working with Funco.vc?
Yeah, definitely. We definitely want to take the company public at some point.
Okay.
And that's pretty much, that's the prize that our eyes are on. So.
Okay, great. And then for anyone who's more interested in learning more about Funco.vc, where would they go?
Well, you can check us out at our main partners, which is www.aceli.co.
Okay.
They do a lot of our tech side of things, and so many companies need that sort of business nowadays, especially app development, web development. So we help a lot of entrepreneurs out with that.
Well, Justen, I thank you so much for being here on the show, and thank you guys for watching.